Hello everyone, I am Ranjan. I'm CEO of Blogrouter Web Service. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I will teach you how you can link your business WhatsApp account with your Facebook page. So first, you need to go to your Facebook and then choose the page. So for example, this is my agency page here. So once you are confirmed that you have switched to a page, you are not in your profile anymore, then you have to click top left corner. You see the name of the page and you have to click on it. After you click on it, you can then find this option, settings. You have to click on settings. After that, if you scroll down, you will find the linked accounts option. So if you click on linked account option, you will find two options. First one is Instagram, second one is WhatsApp. So once you click on the WhatsApp option, and if we scroll down, we can find the option where it says connect another number. So if you don't have any number connected already, you can find no number is connected, and you just have to click on the button connect number. So for example, let me disconnect this number for now. I'm removing this number, and now I'm going to add that number again. So I will click on connect another number and make sure that you have chosen the right country code. And after that, I will type the number. So once you type the number, if you want this number should be the primary number, you can turn on this button, and after that click on send code. Then you will receive the code in your WhatsApp. So let me check my WhatsApp. Now you can, if you want, you can also click on this add button, or you can skip this option. If I click on add button, this button will be connected with my page. So anyone who will come to my page, they can see send WhatsApp message, and then they can click on it, and it will be redirect to their WhatsApp application. And the next page is like if I want to create any post, as I have added the WhatsApp button, so I can skip this step. And they are asking me to create a WhatsApp ad, but I'm not going to create an ad right now. So I'll cancel this one. So you can see my number is successfully connected, and it also says this is a primary number. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. Have a nice day.